Now that it's fall, you might be craving the coziness of comfort food. In fact, I guarantee it. Y'all devoured the Thanksgiving tortellini, so brace yourself for the next pasta in this series, vegan bolognese. Bolognese, either way, it's delicious and you won't miss the meat because we're making a plant-based rich saucy sauce made with hearty mushrooms and zucchini. And we're tossing it all up in a vegan pappardelle pasta. But of course you can use any pasta shape you fancy. Alrighty, let's just get on with it. In a large food processor, you're going to add onion, carrots, and celery. Pulse blend until this is finely minced and set it aside in a bowl. Using the same food processor, you're going to add mushrooms and zucchini and pulse blend this until it's finely minced and also place it in another bowl. In a large pan over medium heat, you're going to add olive oil and the onion, carrot, and celery mixture. Saute for about 4 minutes and then add garlic and sea salt and cook for another minute. Add the mushroom and zucchini mixture and cook for 12 to 15 minutes until it looks more brown and a lot of the water has been cooked out. Add tomato paste and vegan beef-flavored bouillon base and cook this for 2 to 3 more minutes until it starts to caramelize. Add soy milk and balsamic vinegar and deglaze the pan, scraping up any brown bits at the bottom. Turn the heat down to low and simmer for another 10 minutes or so while your pasta cooks. In the meantime, you will have boiled a large pot of salted water and cooked your pasta to al dente. Then add 1 cup of the reserved pasta water, vegan butter, and a half cup of vegan Parmesan cheese to the sauce mixture. Stir to combine and then use tongs to add the cooked pasta right into the pot of sauce and combine it until all of the cheese has melted. Serve the bolognese topped with more vegan Parmesan cheese, fresh cracked black pepper, and fresh parsley as a garnish. This is such a delicious recipe and such an easy recipe to make right before you curl up on the couch with it. National Pasta Day is coming up and we're going to give you 1 more pasta recipe next week so you'll have tons of carbs to choose from. Happy cooking! Oh yeah, and one more thing. While you're planning those holiday wish lists, be sure to check out hotforfoodblogshop.com because I've got 3 brand new items in the shop, like this junk food vegan tea, these vegan queen crew neck sweatshirts, and some fancy schmancy aprons you can cook up vegan love with. I'm Lauren from Hot for Food, and keep on watching my channel. I have linked some videos here and here. Just keep on binge watching. Also, you can follow me on social media at Hot for Food, at Lauren Toyota, and of course subscribe because I'm here with brand new recipes every Wednesday.